Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Real quick video, something a little different, right? But before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment on the video, and if you don't like the videos, dislike them. If you do like them, hit the thumbs up, right? So I'm out here combing my beard up, right? But this week is the Barber Expo. If you're in the Knoxville area, come holler at your boy. I'll be selling my beard products. Part of which I have in here that's making this steam pop off, which is my beard oil. I needed to put a little bit more in there, but either way, this Sunday, the 24th, Tennessee Barber Expo Convention Center. Come see your boy, right? This video, just real quick, it's not reviewing anything. It's just, how often do you think about your capes, your barber capes? So when we first start cutting hair, everybody might go to Sally's, somewhere online, Atlanta Barber, and just get you a cheap cape, because in the beginning, you're not thinking too much about it. You just need something to get the hair off of people, right? Or keep the hair off of people while you cutting their hair. But the longer that you're cutting hair and you going through stuff, you start using capes, and you might start to think, well, wait a minute. Instead of me buying so many capes, there should be a solution, right? And maybe this is when you start to think, we need more high quality capes, right? So that's all this video is, just real quick. It's to tell y'all where I get my capes from. If you've seen any of my videos on YouTube where I'm cutting hair, or you've seen my videos on Instagram, all of my capes are custom made. And they're custom made. So this one is not a custom one, but it is. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. You see? You see? You see that one? Right? You see that one? Okay. And then you see that one? I don't know how much of that y'all can see, but you see that one? Right? And then these are actually my custom made capes with my logo on them. So all of these capes are from a buddy of mine. Not really a buddy of mine, but I met him through Instagram. We talked. He cool people. I think he in Texas. His name is Clippa Tee. I'll put his name on the screen, put his link down in the description, right? He do custom made capes. He do a lot more than capes. He do smocks. You can get you some made. Matter of fact, I'll be right back. He do custom smocks as well. Diamond cuts by Reggie. And here's my kid size cape, right? It's back here getting washed. But we got a kid size too. He do all kind of capes, but the material is very durable, right? I don't know how many of those capes that you don't bought from the stores, the little white capes, they cheap, and it's fine in the beginning. But you end up going through those more than you want to, right? So this is just somebody that I like his work. Now these are my ones that's custom made. And he also have these they're just on the website for sale. Again, his name is Clippa Tee. Boom. All the cartoon characters, black cartoon characters. Anyway, this just video, just real quick, just a shout out Clippa Tee. Hit him up on Instagram. Get you your custom capes, smocks, shampoo capes. He does apparel. He can do your baseball jerseys, anything you need custom fabric wise, apparel wise, he can damn near do it. All right. So this is just me shouting out Clippa Tee. If y'all ever seen any of the capes in my videos and wonder where I get my custom capes from, of course there's a plethora of people you can get yours from. But this is just where I go. I go to Clippa Tee. I put his Instagram and stuff in the video down bottom. Just hit him up. Tell him Reggie sent you. I don't have a discount code, nothing. This is nothing that he is putting me out to do or nothing. I just like his stuff. I've been using him for a few years now. Like I said, he does great work. So this is more of a cloth fabric, got a little stretch to it, and this one got the hooks on it, so he can do them with the hooks, or he can do it. This is more of a nylon fabric. This is not like, it's different than the cloth, and he can do it with the buttons on it as well. These are, when I first started using them, he had these kind of buttons on it, which got the job done. But as we all know, the more you do business, you upgrade. These right here, these connect and they ain't coming off. Like they, you know, you get them kids that like to move around and stuff. Sometimes they can pop certain ones off. These right here, they did a good job with these. This is his Halloween special one. They got all the Jasons and, you know, the clowns and everybody on there, say friends at the bottom. So holla at my boy Clippa Tee. He got a I think it's a 3-week turnaround, 3 to 4 week turnaround on custom. If you buying stuff that's already on his website, it's damn near 2 days. It's gonna get to you. Yeah, hit him up on Instagram, ask him what he can do, go through his page, see what he can do. Tell him Cuts by Reggie sent you. No discount code, no. Just tell him your boy sent you. Tell him, you know, that helped me out too. Let people know that if I support you, I'm gonna rock with you no matter what. And we putting their names out. Just a real quick video, that's all. But if you're in Knoxville, October 24th, Sunday, Knoxville Convention Center, come by, holla at your boy at the Tennessee Barber Expo. I do have a booth, but if you don't want to buy none of my products, because most of the stuff is beard products, I need some lotion on my hands. I've been over here doing my beard. Most of my stuff is beard products. Everybody don't have a beard. Everybody don't care about a beard. But if you don't, just come by, holla at your boy, shake a man's hand, say what's up. All right? If you like the videos, thumbs up the videos, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And how often do you buy new capes? Right? I buy a bunch of capes because I like to buy custom-made capes, so I get them custom, blah, 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 kid size, all that stuff. But how often do you go through capes if you're not getting them custom? Just a question. We out. Peace. Oh, this is the heat stroke. Look at my hands. I don't even want to show my hand. This is the heat stroke. Stylecraft Gamma. Use the discount code Cuts by Reggie. Get you one for the beard. Yeah, all that good stuff.